Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technology Inbuilt. So today I'll be showing you how to edit pics in your smartphone. So with that being said, do like this video and subscribe my channel for more amazing content like this. So now let's get started. So guys, I would like to inform you that I'm starting a series of tutorial editing with DK where I'll be posting video related to editing in Snapseed and Lightroom. So today we are going to learn the basic of Snapseed. So now I'll show you from where you can download Snapseed. So to download Snapseed, open your Play Store and search for Snapseed. And the first result will be the application that we'll be using in this series of tutorial. Just install it. Now the thing you have to do is open Snapseed. After opening Snapseed, you will see a plus button like this where you have to import your photo. So just click on the plus sign and import your photo, and now select the photo which you have to edit. So I'll be selecting this one. So now as you can see, I've selected this uh, picture where you can see fishes, but the main subject of our picture is this golden fish. So at the bottom of the application you will see style, tools and export option. So above in the style option you will see some presets already available for you to select, like portrait one, smooth one, but we will not be using this. And the second option, tools, you will get the all the manual functions. So we are going to edit this pic from here. So the first thing you have to do is you have to tune your image. Tune your image means you have to set the level of brightness according to the pic. Like here I think we have to increase little brightness, increase contrast by 5 to 6, then increase saturation will darken the colors. Ambience, yes, we have to lower the ambience. Highlights, we have to lower some highlights, and shadows lower. And we don't need the warmth, so let it be to 0. So now as you can see, our fish looks more beautiful than before. As you can see the before and after. Or either you can select this auto option which will automatically do the adjustments, but for this pic I will not choose the auto option. So after tuning your image you will see the difference in your picture. So the last step you have to do is export. So I guess you have got the basic of Snapseed, how the tune image is used. So guys, this was all for this video. I hope you liked this video, and I'll be posting many videos related to Snapseed and Lightroom editing. So stay tuned by subscribing our channel, and do follow me on Instagram, for which links you will get in the description below. And if you have used my tips to edit your picture, then tag me in your picture. So thank you, bye bye.